On page 37, we're given three graphs and asked to use them to solve some quadratics. So in the first case, number 3a, 14 equals x squared plus 2. The graph that is useful to us is going to be the h of x graph because that has x squared plus 2 graphed. We're going to do it two ways. We're going to do it graphically and algebraically. Let's do it algebraically first. So let's subtract 2 from both sides. And we get 12 equals x squared. And when we take the square root, we have plus or minus 12, square root of 12, excuse me. And then looking at the graph, when I graph h of x and then y equals 14, I see that they hit at both positive and negative 3.464. And I see that the square root of 12 is also 3.464. So this just shows that the intersection occurs at both positive and negative square root of 12. In 3b, we're asked to solve x squared equals 10. So that's just the parent function. That's going to be graph f of x. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and I get plus or minus radical 10. And then if I graph these on Desmos, where f of x equals my y equals 10 occurs at negative 3.162 and positive 3.162, which I can see is what square root of 10 is. And then the third one, C, x squared minus 8 is the quadratic that I'm interested in, so that's going to be g of x. So solving this algebraically, I'm going to need to add 8 to both sides first. And I get 3 equals x squared, take the square root, and my answer is plus or minus the square root of 3. And looking at the graph, g of x intersects negative 5 down here at negative and positive 1.732, which we can see is the same as the square root of 3. Keep in mind, the